Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy. I'm a neonatal nurse practitioner. I make content about nursing, living in Houston, and how to achieve your goals. If that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and push that subscribe button and let's get into the content. Okay, today's video was requested in the comments. Somebody asked me to do a video on what is in my bag. And so today the content is about what is in my bag, NNP edition. So pretty much the same stuff that's in my bag now was the same exact stuff that I had in my bag as a NICU nurse, plus or minus a couple things. So I'm gonna go through my entire bag. I hope this video is not too long. I keep a lot of stuff in my bag, but you guys want to see what's in there, so I'm gonna share it with you. I literally just got off work. Reason why I have the scrubs on. What is in here is what is always in here. I didn't even clean it out or anything, so we're gonna take a look and see what's in it. Okay, so this bag is the same bag that I had when I was a NICU nurse. My bag is heavy, I will not lie to y'all. I always say, I will not lie to y'all. This is my bag. I got it off Amazon. I love this bag. I get a lot of compliments on it. It has a lot of pockets, a lot of zipper compartments and stuff where I can hide stuff. It is heavy because I keep a lot in here, but it's wipeable, so I can wipe it off with the wipes and stuff like that. If you want this bag, I can link it below. Okay guys, are you ready? Let's go through this bag. The first compartment, I have my glasses, because if you don't know, I actually wear glasses, okay? But I only wear them when I'm at work because obviously I'm trying to be cute if I'm out in the streets of Houston. So blonde and cute is my thing. But these are my glasses. Yeah, I wear them when I'm at work so I can see, so I can do my notes, and so I'm not blind. Okay, next in my bag is my charger. This charger goes along with something that's not in my bag, but something that I need all the time. It's my jacket. Okay, I still have the tag on it because I'm lazy. I haven't taken it off, but I got this jacket from Amazon. Okay, look y'all, I'm a cold person. When I'm at work, I'm always cold, especially when I was working night shift as a nurse. Like, I was cold, and y'all know like what that unit is like. It's always freezing. So I got this jacket off of Amazon. It has a little button here. You can push it when it's charged, when it has a charger connected to it. You can push it. It warms up. It keeps me warm, and I don't have to like be freezing cold at work. So if you're one of those people like me and you're always cold at work, get this jacket, girl. I'm trying to tell you, change your life. All right, back to my bag. Next thing that I have in my bag, Advil, because if anything happens at work, I'm gonna need to be able to stay at work. Like headache, cramps, period, anything like that, I'm gonna need to be able to stay at work. So I keep Advil in my bag. Let's see, nothing in this compartment. Okay, the front compartment here, I keep all my pens. I like to have different colors, so I have like red and purple, because when I'm making my notes, I like to put my changes in a different color. That makes me keep track of like orders I need to put in or any changes that I made on my kids for the day. So when I'm giving sign out, I'll remember like I made this change. So over here on the side, y'all, okay, so I have this hair clip because when I'm doing things at work, like if I have to intubate, of course I'm just going to throw that on like that because I don't want hair to be falling down in front of my face. So if I have to intubate or do a UVC or something like that, this is what this clip is for. At work, I just slide it in my pocket and I keep it on me all the time. Then when I leave work, I just take it out, put it back in my bag. All right, next thing I have is this lip mask. This lip mask is my savior because at work it's dry, my lips are dry, I'm looking all crusty. I wear this. It's supposed to be worn at night, but I wear it all day. I also have, of course, my favorite lip gloss, Fenty Heat, because like if you go into the little cafeteria or something, I gotta put on a little fancy lip gloss. I gotta be cute at work, y'all. Okay. I'm out of breath. This bag is heavy. Okay. I should have had a table to put it on. Okay, so the next compartment is going to be the second one in. Y'all. What I tell you? My NICU Bible. My NICU Bible. This book is with me at all times. I always have it with me. I talk about it all the time. I'll link it below. You have to have it. Even if you're a NICU nurse or an NNP, you need to have that book with you. Hand cream, because we wash our hands so much. Like when I first get to work, we do a scrub. You know, every time I touch a different patient, I'm doing hand sanitizer. I'm washing my hands so much and they get dry and crusty. Speaking of that, don't look at my nails because they dry and crusty. But yes, gotta have the hand cream and hand sanitizer, because I don't know, like we have hand sanitizer at work. I don't know, girl. I just like to keep it with me in my bag just in case there's some nowhere near me, which will never happen in a hospital, but oh well. Okay, so my next thing, mask. I keep masks with me because you never know. Like when I was sick a week ago and I had to walk into work, because I still had like a cough, I wore a mask, but you know, I had to put the mask on before I walked into the hospital. I didn't want to expose anybody to anything like that, so keep a mask with me. And that is it for this compartment. Let's go to the next one. Y'all, these zippers are so cute. They're gold. I get compliment on my bag all the time. Okay, third compartment. In this one, I have the most amount of stuff. So first thing, stethoscope. And it's for the preemies. It's for the babies. I'm just gonna put stuff on the floor because at this point, it's hard to let all this stuff out. Cough drops, almonds, because at work I like to snack a lot. So I buy these big bags of almonds from Sam's. Okay, next compartment, my notebook. I told y'all I'll keep this notebook with me so I can write down stuff that I see in the NICU that doesn't stick, but I need to remember it. So I write it down in my notebook. Clipboard. Told y'all my clipboard, it unfolds. I use this when we round so that I can just have something to write on. It keeps me organized, and then I keep certain guidelines in this clipboard. My NICU survival guide. I keep this with me in my bag. And guys, I talk about this stuff all the time, but I will link it below in this video too, just so you can grab it if you want to grab it. My iPad. I always take my iPad with me to work, just in case I need to look up something or whatever. All right, these are my sheets that I keep with me. So as a NICU nurse, we have report sheets that we have. Usually your unit will provide them for you, but if they don't, you can get some report sheets off of Etsy. But they basically keep track of like the history of the baby, your care times, feeding amounts, stuff like that that you need to know for your shift. For me, these report sheets I use for my complex patients, where I can keep track of like mom's history, and then I can keep track of like each day the changes that I made. So it kind of helps me, like if I'm working 4 days in a row, it helps me keep my patient straight. Like, okay, yesterday I got a CBC and it was this. Today I got a BMP and it was this, you know? So it helps me keep track of what's going on with my complex patients. I don't use these sheets for every baby. I just use them for like, you know, intubated sick kids, oscillators, because yeah, y'all, I know the last video I said I wasn't taking sick kids, but I'm taking sick kids now. Comb, because girl, who's gonna be at work looking crazy? Okay, let's see what else. Oh, gum. You know, after lunch, you know, you gotta have fresh breath after lunch. And then headphones, just in case. I have the wireless kind, but just in case they die, I like to, you know, have the ones with the wire. Okay, last but not least, mouthwash, because I'm not gonna be at work with no funky breath. Like, let me tell y'all, we are at work 12 hours And then when I switch over, I'll be doing 24-hour shifts. So once I switch over, I'll have like an overnight bag with toothbrush, you know, hair stuff, shower stuff, all that kind of stuff. Right now, I'm only staying for 12 hours. So I just take this bag with my stuff in it. All right, so this zipper compartment right here, I don't have anything in there. And I don't really know what they thought was going to go in that, but I don't have anything that I keep in there. Yeah, so that's my bag, y'all. The other thing that I always take to work with me is my cup for water. I try to do at least 2 of these during my shift. And then my coffee cup, because I need coffee in the morning. I'm not a morning riser. What else you want to see? I'm going to try to make the videos like at least a week or 2 weeks out. If you request a video, I'm going to try to get it to you by 2 weeks. But yeah, let me know what else you want to see in NP edition. Okay. The scrubs that I'm wearing is Med Couture. I have 3 brands that I like the best. We wear navy blue at my job, so all my scrubs will be navy blue. But I have 3 brands that I like. I like Med Couture, I like Figs, and I like Medela scrubs. So out of those 3, my favorite, you know what, maybe I should make a video so that you guys could like see the difference between those 3. It's basically like a fit thing, like how they fit. But anyway, just remember, I make videos every week. I try to put them out every Monday, but with this work schedule, I'm just going to be real. I'm probably going to slip into like Tuesday or Wednesday, but I will put a video out every single week. So make sure you push that subscribe button. Leave a comment below letting me know what you want to see next, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.